Alright, hey guys, what's up, my fluffy? So today I'm on Animal Jam, obviously. And I'm playing the Claw, obviously from the title, but I'm gonna it's a Animal Jam challenge, I guess, the Claw challenge. And yeah, I'm just trying to get at least 20 plushies because I'm gonna make a plushie store. Can all members have more than one den? Let me see. Yep, they can. But yeah. Super hard. I love this glitch. If it freezes, okay. Actually, no, I'm trying to get only I don't know. But it's frozen. I'm not doing it fast enough, but challenge failed because I'm too lazy. I think I have enough plushies. There we go. And then I have a green one, and then I have a yellow one. And those are my tiger plushies. I practically have every single non-member item except all these teacups in my den that I have. So yep. I actually might get through all people, because so yeah, bye guys.